Hello, hi, my name is Crypto Nerd, and in this video I'll go through the latest crypto developments. Before we get started, if you can hit the like and subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. Currently sitting at 230 subscribers, hoping to hit the 1,000 mark as soon as possible. So this upcoming week is a big week for the stock market and the crypto market. We seen last week was an absolute shocker. The S&P 500 lost 4.7%, the Dow lost 4.14%, Nasdaq lost 5.48%, seventh highest loss on record, as I mentioned in my previous video. 1 trillion was lost in the market by people. This was as a result of higher than expected CPI data, which came in at 8.3%. It was expected to come in at 8.2%. Core inflation rose. We also seen some hawkish statements from the Fed, including Jerome Powell saying that he expects things to get worse. The FedEx have said that in their preliminary announcements that they're expecting an upcoming recession. So all things to be aware of. It's worth noting though, like Michael J Cramer, if you follow him on Twitter, he's a analyst. So from 2022 versus 2008, sorry, when the big financial crisis happened, when the banks had to get bailed out, it's almost been identical to what's happened so far. So this week I expect the Monday to be a slight jump, and then I expect there to be a big tank below the June 3,600 mark in June. It's worth looking out if this pattern continues. It's quite strange, unusual. But yeah, give him a follow on Twitter. You'll see. Jim Cramer reckons that Fed Chair Powell will hit us with a 75 basis point. I think it's pretty much priced in now. There's 16% chance of a 100-point basis hike. I do think after that the Fed will need to slow down. They'll probably hit us with a 50 basis point in November and December with a 25 basis point increase if inflation doesn't improve, or if it doesn't improve, it might even hit us with a 50 basis point. But all of this seems to point towards a recession. The market's response to the last two 75 basis points on July 14th was the following 2 days were bullish. Same with July 26th, 7th. So we'll see if it's the same bullish. As I said, I do expect a small spike and then a downtrend. Yep. Let me know your thoughts. Markets are not really focused. Yahoo Finance, you see EY chief economist Greg Dacre, he seems at 50-75 basis points already locked in. But I think people are more worried about the upcoming inflation. Do they think we're heading towards a recession? Tech companies are starting to cut jobs. We see the banks saying that we're heading towards a recession. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see. We see Bitcoin trading above 20k briefly today. 20,064. If you found this video useful, please hit the like and subscribe button. I do hope to drop more content this week. As I said, I do expect them to hit us with a 75 basis point. We'll have a look, see what happens. I'm expecting the markets to react positively, and then reality will sit in that we're heading towards a recession or are already in a recession. Thanks, everyone.